I'm originally from Newcastle. I went to local comprehensive in Newcastle, fairly happy childhood, was lucky enough to get a place at Oxford University, after which I moved to London to start a career in marketing. I moved into the sports media business with the Press Association. I was initially employed as their marketing director with the nice salary, the nice expense account, the nice company car, and all the trappings that went with that. I was in what was initially a very happy marriage, and I had very supportive work colleagues, but it came to their attention even before it came to mine that, you know, my drinking had gone way beyond sensible into the realms of the insane. The nice home had to go, and it was also during the period of negative equity, so like the mortgage was worth an awful lot more than the house. I was somewhere around the Walthamstow area. I think I'd been hanging around the market and sort of thought, well, where the hell am I going to go tonight? And I just ended up sleeping in parks and stuff, and as long as I had enough anaesthetic, and by this time we're talking really cheap rancid cider, that was okay. The turning point for me, which was on July the 4th, 2005, on the previous day I had a really nasty accident when I was looking for somewhere to sleep. I was sick and tired of being sick and tired, as they say. Just prior to the Barclays Changing Lives Award, I decided as I started my second year of sobriety, that I was going to do something with the rest of my life, and I felt able to. So I enrolled to do a PGCE at Norwich City College with a view to teaching literacy in the prison service. And the first term I really struggled because I just couldn't get the assignments done. You know, I was the only one there that wasn't, you know, having the facility of a computer. And so the Barclays Award was just like a miracle.
The Barclay Changing Lives Award meant two things for John. I think on a very practical level, it meant that he got his computer, but I think also on another level, it's recognition of the positive changes and all the hard work.
When I think where I was a couple of years ago, you know, I was only recognised for being a degenerate drunk, you know, and now what I'm doing is being recognised by a major world corporation, you know. That gives me a phenomenal sense of humility, but pride as well.